What's up? I've been back to Canada for 2 weeks already. This is a long weekend because next month is gonna be Victoria's Day. That means we'll have a 3-day weekend. My friend Jason is a videographer. Kind of. He's having a YouTube channel, like teaching people how to make videos and yeah. And Brian is also learning videographer. This house was really messy before I moved into the house. So look at the floor here, it's so clean. Before yesterday it was actually full of all kinds of garbage, recyclable and unrecyclable, etc. And all kinds of bugs and insects were actually just everywhere. So one of my friend's mom actually came to Vancouver from Calgary just to clean this whole house. And now it looks like a new house. Look at this. And tonight we're gonna watch the movie Avengers Infinity War.
Go! So creepy, there's like 2 people following the one guy. puto. Hey, puto. No, puto is Spanish. Hey, puta gringo. Gringo.
So are you guys ready
Yeah.
to go to the gym?
Packing up the Infinity Gauntlet. This is my Thor's hammer.
Ooh. Right, going to the movie theater now.
But it looks like shit because it's. Oh wait, no, it looks good. But your Olympus is better. Oh wow, so strong. You can do pull-ups. Oh.
Yeah.
Chest out.
Yeah.
Chest out. Up. Yeah. Nice. Actually, you don't need my help, the dentist help anymore.
Do it one more time.
Yeah. Like, no. Yeah. 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 Like that. Squeeze it. No. Squeeze at the back. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze it. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Yo, rings. Not thinking about it. Okay, it's painful.
Okay, it's painful now. So Xavier's gonna show us how he usually does his bicep curls.
How you already do it is wrong. Look at this. Like,
Yeah, see? You're not working out your bicep. What's gonna
That's
happen?
very wrong.
What's gonna happen if you keep doing that? Go like this. Hey, pull it down. I'll show you. See this tendon here? That is gonna snap. You're gonna go like this, snap, and then this goes this way. Never do this at
that's
home.
wrong. Don't do it. All right.
Yeah, basically it will hurt your joint actually.
Now Jason will show us the right way.
Okay, so the right way, control through your body, your posture upright.
Yep.
Keep your core tight, your abs. So the only thing that moves are my arms, okay? So breathe in, up, squeeze it, go down. So what matters is the form and how tense your arms are, not the heaviness. So it doesn't matter if you're lifting 50 on each hand. If you're going like this, you're not working out your arms. Okay? Understand? Okay, now Xavier's gonna try with a lighter weight, this time with the correct form. You have to reset your weight now. Okay. So keep the elbows facing down. See right now your elbows are going up. So go up. Keep it there. So up. Up, up, up. Yeah, like that. Keep your elbows facing down. Nope, nope. See? Your elbows are going up, right? Make sure it's parallel with your torso. So this is always down. Down? Yeah, like that. Squeeze. Down. That one, same. Keep it here. Keep it here. Up. Keep it there. Come on. Go up. No. See? Come on. You can do it. Up. Yeah. Oh shit. Nice. Now Xavier's doing the right bicep curls. No, cheater.
Oh, that's why you should know. That's
Full
why,
guy.
no, that's why.
Okay.
No, that's why you should start with this one first.
No, not 5. I think 10.
No,
is.
no, no.
Really? So again, it's not about the weight, Xavier. It's about the form. Because if you do it light and then it's hard for you, that's a good workout. If you do it heavy but it's easy because you swing it, then it's not a good workout. You know what I mean?
Let's do it again.
This is the face of someone that's excited.
Yay!
What's happening?
Well, we just finished working out and I went to McDonald's. Last time I went there was like a few months ago. Well, I was like a year ago, I think. So we're gonna watch the Avengers, Infinity War. Well, this movie has been out for a few months, but For a lot of reasons, today
No,
is
no,
the
it's
day.
only been out for 3 weeks.
Okay, you don't have to be this close, man.
We cannot go in.
Oh, right, we have to. Yeah.
What's happening?
So, because we bought the food from McDonald's, we have to eat first.
What are you doing?
Nothing special, just breakfast.
What's going on? Why are we down here?
Well, we should eat.
McMuffin with no
Samala.
cheese.
We should eat and sit in the office. Sit on there.
Oh my god, this food is
Why?
just look at the quality.
Let's see. Ooh.
See?
Looks like a
Ew! Gross. By the way, the voiceover was from my housemate Jason. Alright. Try this.
review.
You know, in some European countries like Sweden, they provide better food than this in prison.